Saturday nights in Tiger Stadium are full of cheers, beers, and lots of trash. Fifth-year architecture student Melissa Sinnard says when she looked around last year, there was one thing she didn't see.
There was no recycling in our stadium on game day. And I mean, that's like 40 tons of trash at least during a single football season, where I want to say maybe 70% of that at least could be recycled.
So as a class assignment, Sinnard came up with a proposal to get recycling into Tiger Stadium. Now she is teaming up with the Campus Committee for Sustainability for each game, trying to figure out the best system for Tiger Stadium.
We did some research at the Vanderbilt game, and hopefully we can continue that research in the next couple games of figuring out what we can be doing in the stadium exactly, what areas are best for the recycling bins.
Sinnard says that there are around 1,000 green recycling bins placed outside the stadium the morning of each game day to help reduce the trash and increase recycling. But Facility Services Supervisor Lynn LeBlanc, who helps supervise cleanup Sunday mornings after the games, says just because bins are there doesn't mean that people will use them.
And the recyclables, I mean, they use them somewhat, but little green containers, you see a lot of cans in the yellow can, a lot of aluminum cans in the yellow cans, instead of the green can like they're supposed to put it. It's sad.
Last football season in Tiger Stadium, an average of 12.5 tons per game was thrown away, making over 87 tons for the entire season. 30 tons of this was made up of plastic bottles alone. The plan is for recycling bins to be placed in the suites to start the program and then to move down into the stands. For Tiger TV, I'm Kate Scoggin.